Thanks for joining us tonight. As Wisconsin COVID-19 cases continue to surge, the Alliant Energy Center is usually a quick, easy way to get tested for COVID-19, but that was not the case this afternoon after a registration system crash. Madeline O'Neill spoke with Public Health about recommendations to avoid the wait and why it's important to keep some other options in mind. Maddie?
Well, testing here at the Alliant Energy Center is meant to be convenient for anyone, but to keep it convenient, Public Health Madison and Dane County is asking that you choose the right time, place, and reason to get tested.
A lot of people do think the Alliant Energy Center is their first place to get a test.
That's why it can get so busy. And when there's a problem, it's obvious.
We always know that the first day of the week is a busy day for us. And then today we had the added complication of our electronic registration system just didn't work for about the first hour we were here today. And that caused a pretty big backup.
To keep the backup from extending to the Beltline, Public Health Madison and Dane County closed for a short time, then only allowed testing for people who had COVID-19 symptoms, had been in contact with someone with a confirmed case, or worked in a populated place, such as a grocery store. In general, those are the groups Public Health recommends getting tested. It's not recommended for those seeking peace of mind from a test, which cost about $100 and are in limited supply.
So we have to do our best to make sure that the resources go to the people who need them.
Alliant Energy Center testing director Ken Van Horn points to other options, such as healthcare providers. SSM Health has a virtual evaluation for patients experiencing symptoms, saying in a statement that those deemed at risk will, quote, be connected with an SSM Health provider for details on testing and any appropriate treatments. But the health system is currently processing nearly 1,000 tests per day, which is their maximum. UW Health asks its patients to call if they have symptoms, and UW will take care of testing. Without symptoms, UW Health recommends the Alliant Energy Center.
If you want to test, we're here for that.
Van Horn just asks you plan ahead.
You just have to make sure you come at a smart time, and we'll do our best to make sure the system is running and that we don't have a lot of days that are like today.
Since it's the first day of the week that the site is open, Tuesdays tend to be the busiest, so public health officials recommend coming later in the week, also not coming during the first hour or so that they're open. Now, this system crash that caused that brief closure affected other testing sites in the state as well.